Hey, today let's take a look at Logic Pro X for Mac 10.8. Now come on, let's take a look at the Sample Alchemy tool. This plugin is like magic. You can take an audio fragment and transform it in a playable instrument using different synthesis tricks, granular, additive and spectral material. It's incredibly versatile, allow you to create all kind of sounds. Think custom sound space, pads, effects and amazing beats. Check out the Sample Alchemy, it's a real vibe. The Mastering Assistant hits the scene. This new tool is a game changer. It's like your secret sauce to give your mix that pro level shine before you drop it. The Mastering Assistant is an effect plugin chilling in the stereo output channel. It's a check out your audio, tweaks the dynamics, balances those frequencies and spruces up the vibes, all to make it sound top-notch. Check out more on the Mastering Assistant, it's the real deal. Let's move on to the Beat Breaker tool. This plugin is like a game changer. It lets you totally remix and arrange audio on the fly, chopping it up, mixing it up, and even adding some crazy scratching effects. Not only can you play the audio portion in any order you like, but you can also control the speed, direction and the volume with a series of repeats for each portion. All these features allow you to create templates and edit things on the fly. Breaker is direct fire. Another cool thing is about a new tool. They put this new tool in the tool menu. Scroll and rotate. These children are responsible for moving objects within the region of the audio on the software instrument without interfering with the edge of the region. They are like your secret weapons for changing things. Learn more about these tools. Now you get the option to lay down the tracks at 32-bit depth. That's some serious high-quality recording when working with a compatible audio setup. The beauty of this 32-bit recording is that if digital clipping occurs while recording, no worries. You can fix this later by simply reducing the gain in the audio clip. Plus, when you have recorded at the low level, you can pump up the volume without bringing up the background noise. Check out the recording settings for more on this. Hey, there's still something. 2 brand new sound packs just dropped. First up, the Hybrid Texture Pack brings in 70 patches and over 18 Apple loops, showing off the power of Sample Alchemy. Next, check out the Vox Melodies. It's stocked with over 75 diverse lyrical phrases, amazing hooks, layered harmonies, cool effects and one-shots. Or you can grab these other dope sound packs using the Sound Library Manager. More deets on managing Logic Pro content are waiting for you. That's all for today, thanks for watching and peace.